Hello viewers and welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into Windows 11 version 24H2 build 26100.3613 released under KB5053656 to the release preview channel on March 18, 2025. This update continues Microsoft refinement of the 24H2 platform, bringing new features, quality improvements and security enhancement to insiders. In this technical overview, we will dissect the key additions, evaluate their implications and highlight what this build signals for the broader Windows 11 ecosystem. So let's get started. The headline feature in build 26100.3613 is an enhancement to communication capabilities on AMD and Intel-powered Copilot Plus PCs. Microsoft has upgraded live captions with real-time translation now supporting over 44 languages translated into English. This applies to real-time video calls, recordings, and streamed content leveraging the neural processing units in Copilot Plus hardware. This advancement not only boosts accessibility but also positions Windows 11 as a leader in multilingual communication tools, particularly for enterprise and educational environments where real-time translation is increasingly critical. Beyond this marquee addition, the update includes features under gradual rollout, meaning not all insiders will see them immediately, while the official changelog from Microsoft is light on specifics for this build. Prior release preview update in the 24H2 cycle, such as build 26100.3321 introduced improved battery status icons and taskbar enhancement. Build 26100.3613 likely builds on this foundation with additional refinements, though Microsoft emphasizes this will scale out over time based on telemetry and feedback. This phased approach, standard in release preview channel, ensures stability before broader deployment. As a monthly update, build 26100.3613 incorporates security fixes to fortify the Windows operating system. While Microsoft hasn't detailed specific vulnerabilities it addressed in this KB, it builds on the security foundation laid by the previous update KB5053656 released March 11, 2025. This ensures the system remains robust against emerging threats, a critical consideration for IT administrator managing enterprise fleets. This build also rollouts in quality improvements from KB5053658, which included fixes like correcting task manager misidentification of hard disks as SSDs and enhancing taskbar jump list functionality for file sharing. These updates, now part of 26100.3613, reflect Microsoft's ongoing effort to polish the 24H2 user experience, addressing both functional and cosmetic issues reported by insiders. From a technical standpoint, the focus on Copilot Plus PCs in this build is noteworthy. The live captions and translation features leverages the NPU, underscoring Microsoft's investment in AI-driven hardware acceleration. This is not just a feature drop, it is a signal of how 24H2 is evolving to differentiate Copilot Plus devices from standard PCs. For developer and IT pros, this means preparing for a future where NPU-specific optimizations become standard, potentially influencing application design and system requirements. Build 26100.3613's delivery to the release preview channel indicates it's nearing general availability readiness. Unlike the dev and beta channels, release preview targets a more stable audience, offering a glimpse of what's likely to hit mainstream users soon. The gradual rollout mechanism paired with Microsoft telemetry-driven scaling ensures that any lingering issues like those seen with recall in earlier 24H2 build can be ironed out before mass deployment. This build also aligns with the checkpoint cumulative update model, streamlining servicing for insiders and enterprises alike. In conclusion, Windows 11 version 24H2 build 26100.3613 brings a compelling mix of accessibility innovation with its live captions upgrade alongside incremental quality and security enhancement. Its emphasis on Copilot Plus PCs highlights Microsoft's strategic push towards AI-enhanced computing, while the release preview deployment reflects a cautious, stability-first approach. For insiders, this is a chance to test a near-finalized update via the Feedback Hub, accessible with Windows plus F button will shape its final form. So that's our analysis. If this breakdown was valuable, please like, subscribe and share your insights in the comment. Until next time, stay technical and keep exploring. Till then, take care and bye-bye.